For years, Nelson's sprinkler technology has been synonymous with efficient and effective dust suppression. Whether you own a small riding ring or a large equestrian facility, Nelson Irrigation has the solution to keep dust at bay, ensuring a safer and healthier environment for both horses and riders. In all arenas, controlling the environment is important not only for humans, but equine athletes as well. From irritating coughs to chronic conditions like equine asthma, the consequences are severe. Studies even link high dust exposure to equine inflammatory airway disease. Dr. Sarah Campbell explains.
Environmental control, whether that be the type of hay that they eat, the type of place that they live, are they in a stall, what's the bedding in the stall, where do they do their job, is it in a nice watered controlled arena, or is it just in whatever comes along? Do they live in a stall that's beside an indoor arena? And so if that dust is not controlled in the arena type environment, you can imagine how it will be in the stalls that are right beside the arena.
In the world of outdoor riding arenas, Nelson Big Gun sprinklers reign supreme for dust suppression. As the original high-volume sprinklers, they've settled dust for decades, offering unparalleled performance. Their expansive radius of throw makes them the ideal solution for arenas, with models like the SR75 and SR100 efficiently covering entire arenas with a few strategically placed sprinklers on the perimeter. Precise control over water pressure is paramount. Nelson 800 or 1000 series control valves offer very low pressure loss across the valve. This serves to optimize big gun performance, maintaining around 70 psi for the SR100. For indoor arenas, the premier choice for interior dust suppression is the S10 spinner. With its 10mm feed tube assembly parts, the S10 is expertly designed to be hung from the rafters of an arena building. Nelson's mini drain checks play a crucial role in preventing drain down at each sprinkler, reducing the risk of puddling in the arena. The S10 spinner, equipped with a gray plate, offers a remarkably flat trajectory. It can be mounted as close as 10 inches below the lights. With a nozzle pressure of 35 psi and utilizing the number 12 purple nozzle, the flow rate stands at 1.5 GPM. Depending on the arena size and rafter spacing, these sprinklers can be spaced 15 to 21 feet apart in both directions. In conjunction with overhead S10 sprinklers, a separate dust control zone along the arena perimeter using MP rotator sprinklers is often desired. This setup ensures a quick wetting of the perimeter, allowing riders to safely exercise their horses without delay. Nelson sprinklers are the perfect fit for all riding arena dust suppression systems. From big gun sprinklers to the S10 and MP rotators, choose Nelson Irrigation to keep dust managed at your facility.